To control your lights, switches, and appliances from single app. Here's the easiest smart home solution. Most people want a smart home, but every device comes with a different app, which becomes confusing. To fix this, I use Ewelink, Ewelink app from Google Play Store. That it's the solution that by using this app, it automatically connect all your smart switches, plugs, lights, and sensors in one place. With Everlink, you can turn devices on off with one tap, set daily timers, schedules, create automation scenes, control everything remotely. Use Google Assistant or Alexa for voice commands. But this Evelink, it's reliable and works with many popular devices like Sonoff and other smart switches. For more smart home tips and quick tutorials, don't forget to subscribe and follow for the next video. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.